Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. Now I know synthetic wigs aren't for everyone, but this right here is a gorgeous 13x4 synthetic wig, body wave wig from Amazon. If you love synthetic hair or you don't mind it, this right here is for you. I love the blonde color and the curls full straight to the ends. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Look. Ooh. And the knots obviously you can see them, but we're gonna fix that. And the cap is very breathable, so we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace all around. It's a T-part wig, by the way, and it comes pre-plucked. This is how we're gonna fix them knots, at least in the parting spot mostly. So we're gonna give scalp for the parting spot with this fake scalp tape that's from Amazon. I'll have everything linked below in the description box. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut that lace. Easy peasy. We're gonna pre-cut it ourselves. Why not? It just comes pre-plucked and pre-colored. Now this right here is my first install. This is that rush install when you don't take all the steps and you're just trying to just put the wig on. At least in my case. My sticky little secret, it will always be my best friend. I'm just saying. But yes, this right here is my initial install. I decided to start with my sticky little secret melting spray and then use my Kiss lace bond spray for the ear tabs. But like I said, I was rushing in this point. I had just did a magnetic lash video for my TikTok. If you want to check it out, check out my TikTok, vibe_with_Werner. And it kind of frustrated me that, and then when I started doing this video, I just wanted to put the wig on, and I was anxious also to see how it looked on me because I was like nervous because it's the color, but it turned out gorgeous. Ooh wee. But right here I burnt myself. I burnt myself, girl. Look at me. I was dying a little bit in that spot. It was burning. Ooh, child. Okay, so like I was saying, I was so annoyed with my magnetic lash video because I had to keep practicing. I got it right, but it annoyed me and I was rushing-ish. But I still did a great job, but it wasn't to my liking in this install. So I ended up taking the wig off and reinstalling it. You'll see, keep watching. With any wig, especially curly wig and especially synthetic wig, you want to use the unbrush because it untangled so easily. I still experience shedding, obviously. It's synthetic, duh. But it was easy to brush through. It wasn't hard. It made it so much easier. I love the layers. Excuse me. I love the layers in this wig. It's so pretty. I love the color and I just love the way I look in this wig. Did I mention it was pretty and long? Look at that, 30 inches, girl. This is the shedding I was talking about. This is how much came off of my brush. It shed. It's colored and synthetic, so of course. Now remember, this is my first install, but the lace still melted. It melted. Look at the sides though. Don't look at the sides, actually. Don't look at it. I end up fixing it on my second install, so keep watching, keep vibing with your girl. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I want to hear from you. Come on now. You see the imperfection right there on the top there? That lace did not melt all the way. Okay, maybe it's just me, but I wasn't having it. Took it off, cleaned off the lace, tinted the lace, cut it back a little more. And this time, I decided to start with my Kiss Bond Lace Bond Spray. Kiss Lace Bond Spray. What are you talking about, girl? This is the level 9, I believe. And because the lace It's a little thick. It's on the thick size. It's an Amazon wig. So using just the melting spray. The melting spray is just for a finish mwah. That's what I like to say that it is. A finish mwah to your wig install. You don't get a hold with that melting spray. So I decided to start with my Kiss Bond lace bond spray. Jesus. And I sprayed on the bottom and on top, and then cleaned around my hairline and tied it down for a good 20 minutes. So when taking off that wig band, I took off my nail. Took off my nail. Lord have mercy. This was a day for me. It was a day. First the lashes and then my nail. Girl, it's over it. Right here is my I'm gonna smile and enjoy myself still, because I don't know, the devil's a lie. The devil is a lie. Now girl, I don't know if you could see what I'm cutting here, but it was like a little bit of lace I was lifting there. I'm so particular with my hairline. This is what happens when I really take my time to have that seamless, flawless hairline. Look at that length. Look at that curl. This is beautiful. If you're into synthetic wigs, colored synthetic wigs as well, this right here, this is beautiful. Look at that scalp. Look at that parting. Love it. If you enjoyed vibing with me, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Everything I use will be in the description box below. And if you made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.